CPT JJ-CPV Evaluation and Management, or E&M Services Guidelines, page 4, part 3.
Classification of Evaluation and Management, E&M Services.
Okay, the basic format of the 5 levels. There are five things to consider in HE-EMN services. Is the same for most categories. The basic is the same. The first thing to consider is a unique code number, right? Is listed, which means that identify all the EMS. That has to be a unique. The second one is the place or the type of service which is that is specified. For instance, the place, if it's a doctor's office, it's a different number, right? If it's a hospital, it's a different number, right? So the place where the evaluation management is conducted, it changes the code. Okay, there are 3 more levels, but we're going to study those in the next theory. Okay, and there's a little table or a little cell that explains a little bit more. You can read that, and that's our theory for today. Now let's do a problem. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is JJ-RVA-269, that's the page, and the problem is 153, and it's a level 1 exercise, and the title is?
Drainage.
External
ear abscess.
Abscess, right? And the problem reads like this.
Surgery auditory.
Surgery auditory.
Drainage of simple external ear abscess.
Is a drainage of a simple external ear abscess. That's the procedure. Now we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and give us the CPT code for this procedure. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is 69000. Did you get that? 69000. If you got that, congratulations. You did it right. If you didn't get it, we can give you a few tips. So let's give the tips. The first tip is?
Start with drainage abscess.
Yeah, go to drainage, to the D in the index, and then look for abscess. Go from there, right? And remember, it's the ear, you have to find all the rest, but the first 2 steps are drainage and abscess, right? Now, the second tip.
If no complications are described, the drainage is simple.
Right. By default, is simple, which means if there's no more information, it's a simple drainage, right? If it's complicated, they have to give you what the complication is, or they have to tell you this is a very complicated drainage. So you're going to find that there are 2 choices. One is a simple and one is a complicated. Choose the simple one because there's no more information. So this has to be a simple one, right? So now we have links to understand the problem. As usual, the A plus links, which are here, A plus, A plus, A plus, A plus, are the ones that we advise you to watch at all costs. Please, if you understand this procedure, watch those first. Now, if you have more time, you can watch the rest, but the rest are not as necessary or indispensable as the A pluses one, right? So the first one we have is how the ear works in an animation, the outer ear, because this is external or outer ear, then the ear drainage animation, and the ear drainage eustachian tooth dysfunction. Then you're gonna know exactly what they're doing, what you're coding, okay? So let's show you just a little bit of how the drainage is done. This is the external ear, right?
Right.
And this is the tympanic membrane, and the liquid that we have to drain is here. So they're gonna drainage. Do it.
Fluid and pressure to drain through the tube and out the ear canal.
See, they're draining it.
Drainage.
They're taking the liquid out of this compartment. Okay. Okay. Well, that's just a small section of one of our links of our A pluses links. So if you watch them completely, you will understand the problem. Let's go back to our theory here, our problem. So the answer is 69000. Okay. So you have the problem, you have the tips, and you have the answer. Now we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and give us the path. The path is how we got to the answer. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is a surgery section of the CPT manual. Is the auditory system and is a drainage of simple external ear abscess, right? So there's only one code, and the keywords for this code is drainage ear abscess, and this code one through the index is found like this.
First you go to index.
Go to the index.
Then you go to drainage.
Go to drainage, to the D, drainage. Then you're going to go to?
Abscess.
Abscess. And from abscess, you're going to go to?
Ear.
Ear and external, right?
Yes.
Then you get two codes there, 69000 and 69. This means N is not a set, but it's just two codes, 69005, right? So that is what you get from the index. Now we're going to go to the tabular to see which one of these two codes is the one that we need, right? So the code 1 through the tabular is checked like this.
First you go to tabular.
Go to the tabular section.
You start with the code 69000.
You start with the first code and see what that is. What is that?
Drainage external ear, abscess or hematoma.
Simple, right? It looks like this is a problem, but let's just, by curiosity, let's see what the next one is. So the next one is?
69005.
And it says the same thing, but at the end it says what?
Complicated.
Complicated. Is this complicated? No, it's simple. It tells you right here it's simple. If it didn't say simple, you have to assume it's simple. But here it makes it easier because it's telling you that it's simple. Okay, so we need the simple. So this double / means go back to 6900, which is the first one, and the equal sign means that we have found our code, we have checked our code. So the answer is 69000. Okay, you got that? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website, and also
you could subscribe to us in YouTube by clicking here for our new medical coding videos.
Just click the subscribe button and you will get
up to 3 videos every day that we make. ICD-10, CPTs, all that's needed to pass the medical coding certification exams.
So don't forget to visit our website and also subscribe to our videos. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.